been feeding us lies since we was in diapers. Ancient bloodlines running through these cipher. DNA don't lie when the truth get hyper. Genealogy showing we them night snipers. Maps from way back showing different stories. California islands, ancient territories. Why they write history, stealing all the glories. We the original script, they just allegories. Prophetic visions coming true in real time. Ancient books predicting our paradigm. Nuclear fusion, artificial sunshine. Everything foretold, falling right in line. Temple sites discovered, not constructed. Sacred ground where our people once conducted. Ceremonies older than their records documented, but they claim they built what was already erected.
We've been here, never left, that's the real receipt. Ancient blood in the soil underneath our feet. They can lie all they want, but the truth won't retreat. Time to rise up, make their deception.
Mathematics don't add up with this slave narrative. Population explosion, that's comparative to what we had before the ships got declarative about trafficking souls. That's imperative. Court records showing the reclassification. Cherokee freedmen, pure falsification. Switching up the labels through legislation while our people face cultural castration. E1B1A and Bone, 7,000 years old, but they say we came recent. That story's been sold to cover up the fact that this land we controlled before Columbus ever got bold. Wind over bow, called key our mounts. Archaeological truth that's profound. Our genetic signature all around, but they call it anomaly when it's found.
We've been here, never left, that's the real receipt. Ancient blood in the soil underneath our feet. They can lie all they want, but the truth won't retreat. Time to rise up, make their deception easy.
Algorithm censorship trying to suppress knowledge of self and our true address. While fake conflicts get all the press, we awaken in the end they mess. General times finish that spiritual law. Stars in alignment showing what we saw. Prophecy fulfilled without a flaw. Time to reclaim what they try to draw away from us, but blood calls to blood. Ancient rivers turn a modern flood of consciousness rising from the mud of their lives. Now we shedding that crud. Paper genocide documented in the files while they smiled and committed their crimes for miles. Switching bloodlines, mixing up the piles, but truth travels faster than their denials.
Fruitful bough branches over walls. Joseph's seed answering destiny's calls. What they try to break now it enthralls the world as truth through darkness crawls. This the final receipt, no more hiding. Ancient bloodlines through time abiding. Truth like lightning, no more sliding. Past the facts, our time is rising. We the tree, not the branch. We the man, not the ranch. We been here since the first. Now we blessed, they've been cursed. We the tree, not the branch. We the man, not the ranch. We been here since the first. Now we blessed, they've been cursed.